Hi everyone, this will be probably the last rooftop garden update for the year. Tomorrow we're expected to get a little frost, so I thought I'd film one last update, show you what the garden looks like late October, and just want to thank all of my new subscribers. Thanks for joining the channel, and I hope you enjoy the video. So this again here is the foxtail fern. You can see it's just loving life up here on the roof. This Japanese maple hasn't dropped very many leaves yet. It has dropped some, but still doing very well. And then this marigold plant has new buds, but probably won't get to see those flowers. This is Smooches here. This one had a lot of issues this year. You can see I didn't stake it very well, so its branches kind of went all over the place. It did produce a ton of flowers, but they all came kind of all at once at the end of the season. And you can see there's still a few left here, but I'm just letting the bees and the birds enjoy it. Wisteria dropping a ton of leaves. Did very well this year here, so that's good. This Japanese maple looks kind of sad. Did drop some leaves. Hope it comes back next year. Cornell still has a couple of buds. I don't think we're gonna get to see these flowers, but let's see. Another one up here. That marigold plant is still doing very well. It kind of got very tall, which I didn't expect. Gomprina is dying out. You can kind of see it's getting a little gray at the base. I'm not sure what to do with these. I might just collect them all and dry them out and see what they look like. More marigolds. This one had a ton of flowers and some new buds. I thought this died a month ago, but it has come back. And here's a bee just sleeping. Zinnia plant, still producing flowers, but as you can see, it's very small. They're very small flowers because it's the end. Kelsey dwarf, lots of browning on the leaves. These will probably be the last flowers we get from that plant. Both bridezilla and hula, as you can see, are gone. Hula produced a ton of flowers this year, but it's dead now. And Marn also, no more buds. I think it's done. Bahama Mama still producing flowers. I'm gonna cut all of these today so I can enjoy them before the frost comes tonight. Actually, I've already started. Here's a little vase. Sylvia, I only was able to get maybe a handful of flowers from Sylvia this year, probably because it was competing against bridezilla, so we'll have to change that up next year. This yellow marigold, still doing well. And then the grasses are all dead. I'm gonna have to cut those all back soon. It's gonna be quite a bit of work, I think. But here is Ivanetti, very last Ivanetti flower. It's probably maybe a 2-inch bloom. They're normally 3 to 4 inches, but we're in late October, so this Ivanetti is also done. This zinnia, I planted this one really late, so I didn't get very many flowers from it. Cosmos are gone. Although these kind of came in late. I might cut these. And then the Oklahoma salmon zinnia. It's been on the vine for quite a while, so you can see some browning on the bottom there. But I really liked this zinnia. I'll probably grow it again next year. It's kind of neat. And then I did plant these cosmos a little late. Here's an example of what it looks like. So this is what it looks like late October. Probably in a couple of weeks I'll have to clear all of the foliage and dig up all of the tubers, store them in our basement over the winter. So thanks for following along on my journey this year. Thanks for watching, and have a good winter. So this is what the final bouquet looks like of the year. I just picked these from the garden right before tonight's frost. So the last remaining flowers: Bahama Mama, Cornell, Ivanetti, there, and marigolds, both the yellow and orange variety, and some small zinnias.